This year we're celebrating 60 years of selling Valentine equipment in the UK. So this is one of the original fryers from 1957, which is actually still working after 60 years. And then we've got a progression here of the fryers that we've been selling through the years. Many of them we've got still out in the industry. We give a 3-year parts and labour warranty with all of our fryers, and you get a 20-year tank guarantee, which means that you can have confidence that that tank is not going to fail. Most of our competitors weld their tanks, and eventually with the heating and contracting of the cooking process, that weld will fail at some point. With Valentine, that's not how we make the tanks, so we know that that's not going to happen.
So you're getting a longevity is one of the keys to Valentine.
Absolutely, yeah. We also concentrate on quality and on new technology, and sort of making sure that we maintain our place as the best fryers on the market. The Valentine fryers are very economical to run. They have a smaller cool zone under the element, which means that you use less oil. Mm-hmm. And if you're using less oil, that saves money, but also it saves energy because you don't have to heat that oil.